let's say that you want to go and run one of your zones manually. The way to go ahead and do that and to check time so you can run it manually versus having to go and wait for the time and the clock to turn it on automatically, we're going to go down here to the bottom where it says zones. All right, we're going to click on zones, and right here you can see we have our 5 zones. Now typically they would have the pictures that you had taken so you know what they are, and then each of them named accordingly. So let's go ahead and let's just say that we want to have zone 3 turn on. So we're going to click on zone 3. And then from here you can have some details about the zone. So a couple things, right? If it's smart watering or not, you'll know if it's scheduled. If it's this on a schedule, here you can see program A, and it runs for 10 minutes. Then you can look at your last watering and next watering. So it was not scheduled, but the next watering will be tomorrow at 1 a.m. And then percent of moisture or soil moisture. So just a little bit of information and things that you would like to know. Now let's say we want to go and test this. All right. Up here in the top right corner, it'll say test. Go ahead and click that. Then you can decide how long you want to run that zone for. Once you decide how many, let's say we want to run for 5 minutes, go ahead and click the green button. And then if you notice up in this top right corner, instead of test, it says stop. And then there's a countdown going on for the clock. That's how you know it's going. So that's how you go in and run it. When you're done, you hit the stop button again. Everything's good to go, and it goes back. And that's how you can go in and turn on a zone automatically, test it, and making sure that the zones are set up properly with whichever programs and times that you were looking at.